So what I have here is the Essential Burt's Bees kit. Now this is a range of all of their important products, all the way from deep cleansing cream to hand to feet and chapstick. So this is an amazing layout and I'm super excited to show you guys what's inside. So it's really easy to open. You can see that you can just open the top just like this and slide out all of their products just like this, and you'll see that it is packaged really nicely. Now, starting with the deep cleansing cream, you can see that this has soap bark and chamomile, which is really nice. You can just unscrew the top like this, put a little bit on your face, and this is what the cream will look like, and then you want to wash it off with water. So that's really good right there. You're going to be able to see that right here. You've got the hand salve. So this is in this really nice metal container right like this. And you can just open it up, slide it out like this. And you can just take a little bit and place it on your hand. So that is really nice. I just love that a lot of these are natural products that contain a lot of items inside like honey and milk. You can see here in the body lotion right here, this is the container that comes with it, and you can see that it feels really nice to use. You can just slide this open just like this, place a little bit on your skin, and then rub it in. So this is a moisturizer for the skin, and that feels amazing. Now, you also have this chapstick here, which I absolutely love. I love the beeswax sort of feel. It comes with vitamin E and peppermint, and you can basically place a little bit right like this on the lips, and that feels amazing. You can sort of retract or bring out the chapstick using the circle on the bottom, and you can just place that through. So that's really nice there. And then the last one here, you've got the foot cream. So this contains vitamin E and coconut, and I absolutely love being able to place a little bit of this on my feet after a really long day. So you can just open it up like this, and it really feels really nice on my feet and creating a really relaxing experience. So you can just rub that in, and it has a bit of a beeswax like feel, and this just is amazing. So overall, I just really like their assortment of products. These are some of their most amazing ones, and I've just absolutely been loving them. So if you're looking for some really natural products, I would highly recommend checking these out. You will not be disappointed.